Hey beauties, we're sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to do a stunning formal hairstyle. First, the hairstylist has divided the hair into sections. Now she's curling the low ponytail to create some loose and pretty curls. Styling and setting the curls with hairspray. Applying the same steps on each hair strand. We love this voluminous ponytail. It's time to work with the high ponytail. Wrapping a piece of hair all around the pony to hide the elastic. The hairstylist is creating some pretty curls in this pony too. Applying the previous step. OMG, this hairstyle looks already amazing. What are your thoughts? Styling and setting the curls with hairspray. Now she will be working with the side sections. Taking the strands one by one and styling them in the back. She will be repeating the same steps on both sides. The hairstylist took a piece of hair and is wrapping it around the high ponytail. Perfecting the style a little bit more. Curling the front strands. Final touches. Truly beautiful.